worldwide. Kayong lahat ay nakatutok pa rin sa 8th Gala Performance and Expulsion Night ng Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2. Sa pagpapatuloy ng paghamon ng honorary scholar sa kanyang mga kasama sa Academy, palakpakan natin si Poy with our scholar, Bugoy.
Magkayakap sa buong magdamag. Kahit ngayon ka hindi lalang, di ko man alam ang iyong pangalan. Only in a world to make believe, and love came along and I believe it's just a dream. And tomorrow just an empty world, and forever's hardly ever heard anymore. Sa mundong itong sandal bagsi, luha sa bawat halik, ay wala na raw pag-ibig. Ngunit sa kislap ng iyong mata, nababasa ko na mayroon pang pag-ibig. Ang aking baby, magkasuyong gabi, masaya't magkatabi, magkayakap sa buong magdamag. And maybe strangers in the night, we'll be lovers for the rest of our lives. Masdan lang ang iyong mukha, ibig ko'y nawawala mula ngayon at kailanman. I'll keep the words of love inside, and we'll warm our heart beneath the lies of this feeling. Nang marinig, two hearts can make this love so right. Turn the darkness into light, bring a new day with the warmth of your love. And we'll be lovers till the day, in a very special way, living the love that we knew. And we'll be lovers till the day, in a very special way, living the love that we knew.
Yes! Honorary Scholar Poy and Bugoy. Pakinggan natin ang reactions ng ating mga jury, of course, sa inyong mga performance. Mr. Louie?
Para talaga kayong lovers ngayong gabi, ah. Hindi, maganda, maganda. I enjoyed it. Yan ang duet. Hindi kayo nagsapawan. You were complimenting each other. You were in your element. You were having fun. Excellent.
Mr. Jim?
Very nice harmony. Sabay na sabay ang pag-pronounce yun ng words, and that really helped. It really showed na talagang practice nyo yung kanta, and you really got into it. A few comments. Poy, ang ganda ng boses mo.
Thank you po.
I think you have so much potential pa. I think we can see a lot more that can come from you, no? You two are a great team, by the way, in this song. Bugoy, I find it hard to comment kasi to start with, fan na ako. I'm really a fan of you, no? But, I just felt that overall actually, maganda na yung performance. Ito parang konting pintas na lang siguro. Yung second stanza mo, parang I just felt just a little more intensity. Kasi alam kong pinanggalingan yung song na yan, galing kay Rico yan. Pag kinakanta ni Rico yan dati, talagang feel na feel. No? So, but very good, very good.
Thank you po.
Miss Leo?
Ano pa ba ang i-add ko? Ang galing-galing ninyong dalawa.
Thank you.
Alam mo, impressed ako sa inyo. Yun nga, ako, may collab team din ako noon eh. Kumakanta rin ako ng duet. Mahirap kumanta ng duet na hindi nagsasapawan. At yan ang ginawa ninyong dalawa. Ang ganda-ganda ng performance. Pero hindi rin nawala yung pagka-individual ninyo. So yun ang importante. You kept your own vocal expertise there. Maganda. Super.
Thank you, jurors. Please go back to the Academy. Poy and Bugoy, maraming salamat. Thank you very much, guys.
Maraming salamat. It was a job well done. Good duet. Thank you. Ayan, sabi nila, more pa daw. Oh.
More.
Okay, no more. Dahil babalik na sila sa Academy. Well, ngayon tapos na ang lahat ng mga performances. Malapit na nating isara ang botohan. Pero ngayon ay babalikan natin ang tatlong probies na sila Arnie, Miguel, at Apple. Panurin natin.
Easy come, easy go, you let me go. Bismillah, no. Let me go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. Let me go. Tomorrow's